Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install SqLite database in your Ubuntu Linux operating system. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your terminal, and in your terminal you need to give this command sudo apt -get install SqLite 3. So this will install SqLite version 3 in your system, and then space lib SqLite 3 -dev. So this uh, lib SqLite 3 -dev will install SqLite development library in your system, so you can develop different programs with your SqLite database. For example, if you want C++ support for SqLite, then this library will provide that. So give this command and press enter, and it will ask for your password. So give your password, and it will start installing SqLite in your system. So it's reading the database right now. So now SqLite 3 is installed in my system, so I will clear the terminal and I will check whether SqLite is really installed in my system or not. So I will give the command SqLite 3 and press enter, and it will give the version of the SqLite which is present in your system. So if it gives SqLite version, whatever the version is, then you know that SqLite is installed in your system, and you will be able to see SqLite and then this greater than sign, and you know that your SqLite is installed in your system. Now you can create a database, and you can do many things by the command line in this Ubuntu operating system, and you can also make the databases. And to quit your database, just write .quit and press enter, and it will quit from your database. So for example, right now I'm in my root directory, so which is I will show you in which directory I am, and then I will create a database in that directory. So right now I'm in my home directory, right? And for example, I want to create a database in this folder, which is my home directory. Then I will just write SqLite 3 and your database name .db and press enter, and it will create a database.db in your folder where you have given the command, right? And you need to give some tables names, and you need to insert some other table information, and then you will be able to use your SqLite database. Now to check whether my database name.db is really created, I need to give the command .databases databases and press enter, and you see here you have the database in this location, home, and in my Ubuntu one folder there is a database called database.db, right? And when I see here, this database is also present here, so I know that my database is created in my home folder. And there are some more commands which you need to learn to query the database, to insert some data into the table, to create a table, and to update or delete the content in the table. That I will show you in some other video. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.